Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can install Ubuntu in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So for that you have to simply open your Microsoft Store. It doesn't matter if the store is like older store or the newer store. So you have to be logged in Microsoft Store, and you have to like search for an app. Search for app option, and there you have to type Ubuntu and click on that, and you have to make sure it is from this group limited, the canonical group limited, and you can like check the ratings for like if it's legit or not, and what problem it may like show in your computer, or how you can like use it far better. So this is like the Ubuntu app page. You have to like click on get. So it's gonna download and install itself. You have to wait. So it's basically like 466 MB. My internet is kinda slow, so it will take a while to download, but once it gets installed you understand the idea. If you are like a Ubuntu user, then you know how to use it, or like you are learning Ubuntu. So once you have like downloaded it, you can like, if you open the app from here by searching its name, you will find the app. Once it gets installed, then you can like open it and run all the necessary code from the terminal, like this picture. So that's how you basically can install Ubuntu on Windows 10 or Windows 11. For both Windows 10 and Windows 11 the process is same. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.